Happy Friday, everyone. It is Miss Harmon here with the first Feel Good Friday shout out of October. And I am here to shout out somebody who is an advocate for our students. She is a veteran in the district, I think close to 30 years, definitely over 20. She has this way about her that can just calm anyone. Miss Drogan, this shout out is going out to you. Thank you for you have a way with the students. You relate to them on their level. You are firm with them, but they respect you. They listen to you, and I know they appreciate you. So I appreciate you. You are a constant. You are a calming soul, and I thank you for everything you do for our students. Have a great weekend.